Hi, I'm Shawn Pomeroy. Thank you for setting up your meeting with iWealth. We understand that working with money and financial planning can be a task that might be overwhelming. Our goal is to make this experience as smooth as possible for you, so that when you leave our office, you have the clarity and confidence you need to know that your financial future is on track. If you would please take some time prior to our meeting, we know we can have a very productive first meeting with you, and we'll be able to add value from the start. With that in mind, we've created this web page just for you. Below, you will see several buttons to click on. Let me explain them and the why behind each one of them. First, you'll see a button that says Fish Don't Clap. This button is to complete a short survey that is only 8 questions long. The survey will help highlight some key areas that you may want to discuss when you come and meet with us. Just click on that button, enter in a secure username and password, and then click on the short survey. Next, you will see the button that says Risk Assessment. Please select that button and register to complete and answer a few simple questions about risk. By doing this, it will give us an idea of what kind of risk you are willing to accept in order to achieve your goals. Please keep in mind there are no wrong answers. We just want to know what is a comfortable level of risk for your future. Lastly, you will see a button called Meeting Prep. Please choose this last for clarification on what kind of documents would be helpful for you to gather for our meeting. Any documents that you bring will be kept completely confidential and can be brought either prior to our meeting or the day of. On the list of suggested documents are items such as tax returns, investment statements, so on and so forth. Thanks again for coming to see us. We won't be satisfied until you leave the meeting with the clarity and confidence that you need for your future. That is when we know we have done our part in helping secure the financial future that you have dreamed of. If you have any questions, you can reach our office by calling 507-835-9111. I hope you have a great day, and thanks again for helping us with the preparation for your meeting. We look forward to seeing you soon.